In this video, I will show you how to find your national insurance number. So just go on gov.uk. In the search section, just write find your national insurance number. You will land on this page which will say find your national insurance number. You can find your national insurance number on a document you already have. For example, P60, payslips, etc. In your personal tax account, if you already have one. In the HMRC app, if you live in the UK. In your Apple or Google Wallet, if you have previously saved it. You can also use a personal tax account or HMRC app to download a letter that shows your national insurance number. In this video, I will show you how to do that. Your national insurance number is made up to 2 letters, 6 numbers and final letter. For example, QQ123456B. So for this, we will go down and click Start Now. This will take us to this page which will say sign in using Government Gateway. So if you already have Government Gateway account, just log in. Then it will ask for the security check. So if you have HMRC app, you can do that. Or if you have text message. So for example, in this case, the number is already saved. So we'll send the text message. Click continue. Once you entered the code, it will give you the national insurance number. This says your national insurance number is this. You may be asked for your national insurance number when you start paid work, apply for student loan or claim any state benefit. You can also save this number to your Google Wallet or Apple Wallet. You can also view or print this document. And if you wanted to view your national insurance record and state pension summary, you click on this and this will give you the details. Now this is the state pension summary. You can get your state pension on this date, 6th December 2056. Your forecast is £230.25 a week. £1,000 a month, £12,000 a year. But further it says your forecast is not guaranteed and is based on the current law. That's one thing. The law can change, the state pension age can change. Is based on your national insurance record up to 5th April 2025, the last financial year date. Assumes that you will contribute another 29 years. So if you contribute another 29 years, the same salary, only in that case you can get this amount. Does not include any increase due to inflation. You currently have 6 years on your record and you need at least 10 years to get any state pension. So this is a rule that if you work for 10 years and pay your national insurance for 10 years, then only you can get the state pension. Otherwise, you are not eligible unless there are exceptions applies. Further, it says £230.25 is the most you can get. You cannot improve your forecast any further unless you choose to put off claiming. If you are working, you may still need to pay national insurance contribution until 6th December 2056 as they fund other state benefits and the national insurance NHS. So this is how the state pension looks like. If you wanted to apply for national insurance, watch this video. I've showed how you can apply for national insurance. And if you wanted to know what is national insurance and the rules, then watch this video.